Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told an aluminum can in the shape of a right circular cylinder has a diameter of 9 inches and a volume of 81 cubic pi inches. What is the height then of the can in inches? So the volume of a right circular cylinder is equal to pi times the radius squared times the height. So if the diameter is 9 inches, then the radius is half that, so it's going to be 9 divided by 2. And then we're looking to find the height, so let's just say, let's let that equal to h. So our volume, 81 pi, is equal to pi times our radius, which is 9/2, squared times h, which is our height. So we can divide both sides by pi, which will cancel all these. We get 81 is equal to 9/2 squared. 9 squared is 81, divided by 2 squared is 4h. And now if we want to solve for h, we multiply by 4 divided by 81. Why do we do that? Because the 4's cancel and the 81's cancel. We have to multiply both sides by it, and the 81's cancel over here. So h is equal to 4 is all that's left. So what is the height of the can in inches? 4 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.